Hi guys, it's SEM and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some churro swirls today. To be fair, they weren't actually intended to be swirls. They were supposed to be the regular churro shape, but you'll see later on in the video why they turned out like this. So you can actually just do the regular ones as well. I will show you how to do that too. So yeah, stay tuned, hope you enjoy. So to make your churros, you're going to need 125 grams of butter, I use unsalted, and a cup of flour, and a tablespoon of sugar, a cup of water, and 3 eggs. Then what you're going to do is get a pan and put it to a low to medium heat and fill it up with your water. Then add your butter, sugar, and you're also going to want to add a pinch of salt because I didn't actually mention that in the beginning. And once you have all the ingredients in there, then you're just going to let that come to a boil. And then once that comes to a boil, you're just going to put the flour on top, put it in there, get it in there, and then you're just going to mix for your life and just keep mixing until it comes out like this and it looks like mashed potatoes. So now I'm just going to move all the ingredients to a separate bowl and make sure it cools down for a bit, and then I'm going to crack an egg into it, and then I'm going to whisk it. I'm going to use an electric whisk, but you can use a handheld one as well. Either way works, but just make sure you do this step 3 times. So you did egg, whip, egg, whip, egg, and then whip, and then that will make sure it doesn't get too runny at the same time. And I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla extract in there just for a bit of extra sweetness. It's just about half a teaspoon. Then just mix it up and just get it back to the old consistency, and you're ready for frying. Now on the side, just get a pan ready and put your oil in there ready for frying. Leave it on a medium heat for a few minutes, and just you can test it as to when it's hot enough for you to start frying. And then you're just going to put the churro dough into the piping bag. I like to put it in a cup, it's just so much easier. Guys, please excuse my nails, it's a pandemic and the nail shop is closed, and it's just, yeah. Then you just got to pipe it up, cut it off, and let it fry. It's a churro. Now the thing is, my nozzle was very small, so these churros are skinny. Like, this is not the churro result that we wanted. It's not what we asked for. So my mum gave me an idea. We just had to do it again, and we made the swirls, and that's how it happened. And then it ended up like this, which we thought was so much better. And it comes out like this. It's golden and they're very soft. And then we just got some cinnamon and sugar, mixed it all up, and you can literally measure this to taste. There's no specific amount of cinnamon or sugar you got to put in there. Now just mix around the churros in the cinnamon and sugar mix until they're all coated, just like that. Now for the chocolate dipping sauce, you're going to get double cream, and I used about half of that bar. I'm definitely going to use milk chocolate next time. And then just put about 100 ml of cream and let that simmer until it looks like this. And you just break up some chocolate in a different bowl, pour the cream on top of it while it's hot, of course, and just whip it until it looks like this.